Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Today we'll show you guys how to remove and replace side view mirror on Volkswagen Touareg 2004-2010 generation. Okay, if you're wondering about this one, left or right, how to remove it, we'll demonstrate today on the driver's side, but passenger will be very close procedure as well. Stay with us and we'll show you how to do it now. Okay guys, so now we need to remove that cap right there. Okay, and we have two screws, bolts with T30, Torx 30, that we'll need to remove. Okay, as you can see, they're loose already. If you're working on the passenger side, okay, there will be some differences there. You won't have those screws underneath that plastic, but you have them under the door handle. Okay, the same thing. You can see two of them. So that's the difference right there that we can think of now. So now we need Torx 20, and underneath the door panel there is two more. Okay, you see that we need to remove. Okay, one is out. Now the second. We have mosquitoes the size of birds here right now. It's not at the shop. Okay, we pull those bolts that we already got loose. So now you need to grab it or use a prying tool, okay, and get all the clips loose, and then you lift straight up, I believe, towards the end. Okay, like that, so we can get it loose. Next, we have all the wires holding there. Okay, we have the cable, lock cable there that we need to remove. Okay, so you see what we're doing in order to remove that thing now. Okay, we'll need to spread it there on both sides. Okay, and it comes out towards the back and you need to pull the cable out. Next we have that cable, okay, right here, that we will need to disconnect as well. We have the one that goes towards the door computer. Okay, and we'll show you how you do this one, the main cable here. Okay, this one, guys, you need to, okay, when you lock it like that, there is a place that it gets stuck. Okay, right here, you need to press this thing down. Okay, the silver thing down. One of us will need to press it. Okay, so, okay, let me show you. So we can slide this thing over. Okay, like that. Next we need to disconnect that wire. Okay, press in on both sides and pull it out. So all the clips for the door panel, as you can see, are okay right here. 1, 2, 3. One is missing. 2 screws on the bottom and 3 on this side. Alright guys, in order to remove the mirror now, you see that's why we need to remove the door panel, to disconnect the wire and get that trim out of there. So you just pull straight this way. It has two clips, I think, or one holding. Okay, and that's where the tweeter is. Okay, the tweeter speaker. Then we'll need to disconnect the wire. It has actually 2 wires there. Okay, this one is out, and then we have that bigger one that the notch is towards the back. Okay, it's this thing right here. You press down and you pull it out. Next we'll need to take T30, Torx 30. Okay, and you can guys find the links for all the tools we use on our website, mechaniclifestyle.com. Okay, hold the mirror after that because it's going to drop after the third screw, bolt. Okay, and you can grab it and just pull it out. Pull the wire out through the hole, guys. You can see, and that's it. Not very complicated. When you're ready to install it, just put everything together in reverse order. We took it apart. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.